One habit. Okay. Again, daily workout and eating healthy. Just yeah, I not that I have given up on anything. I'm a true biryani lover. I'm a true cake pastry lover, and trust me, I do eat. Okay, but my daily routine is very balanced. I without fail I do my workouts. Without fail I eat healthy. I don't eat refined sugar. So your to go tip every day without fail, even if you can't spend 1 hour based on your lifestyle, at least contribute 30 minutes of strategic workout. Strategic workout, I'm not saying go and see some random workout in the YouTube and start following that. Strategic workout which helps you the best. Somebody professional who can help you based on your lifestyle, design your workout and take follow a strategy. And this much spending money on your health, I think it worth. I think it's worth.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Thing which like I deal with a lot of women, and the first thing I would say is just it is not easy to just to say come out of your comfort zone and slowly start just changing. Unless and until you start taking control of your mind, nothing will work. And you just start thinking that you are not a superwoman, that I repeated many times, and you start doing a small change, that strategize your day, work with a professional. I always say, even when I later on I did few of my other changes, start doing changes with the professional, which will actually help you instead of just keeping quiet and sitting and sulking about your present thing. Reach out to the professional and start doing small changes. So, which you have to take charge on your self care, selfishness, whatever you say. But that is my message to everybody. Start doing and taking care of your health. Being a mother, that is even more important because a healthy mother can actually raise a healthy child and a family. Otherwise, you cannot, because kids actually look up to you. They are not leading by the lectures and suggestions. They will actually lead by what you do. Like me, my daughter, we do workout, and she knows that, okay, these are the, I don't keep any junk in my pantry. We do a lot of fun together. But she knows now the importance of health because she is seeing me every day since like ever since she is in her senses. So yeah, so being a healthy mother only can raise a healthy child. That's my to go simple and simple, super simple suggestion to everyone.
Thank